Welcome to Makaira by the Sea, a small two-bungalow resort located on the northwest tip of Taveuni Island in Fiji's northeast. Makaira Resort can be found on the web at FijiBeachFrontAtMakaira.com, or you can find it on FijiGuide.com. Makaira Resort is run by John Lanes and Roberta Davis. John is an expert fisherman. In fact, he is praised on Taveuni as the best fisherman on the island. He runs fishing charters into the bountiful waters off Makaira shore. Roberta, on the other hand, is a coral gardener extraordinaire, a snorkeling tour director, and expert activity planner. The two are the perfect complement for an individual or group planning an activity-rich stay. The resort is open to all, not just fishermen. Makaira Resort is not all-inclusive. It functions more like rental condominiums. This means that Makaira's two bungalows both have cooking facilities that allow guests to prepare and cook their own food. Groceries for cooking can be procured from the markets located close by in Matei or in Waievo. Sometimes Makaira offers meals to guests. As John is an unbelievably good cook, I strongly suggest accepting this offer when made. The two bungalows on the property, which are called bures in Fijian, are nicely furnished. One is larger than the other, allowing larger families to fit. Prices are very fair and much cheaper than comparable properties located in and around Taveuni Island. Makaira Resort is a 3-minute walk to a safe and clean beach that can be snorkeled by both young and old. There are no waves and no dangerous currents, just beautiful, beautiful reef and fish. And if you're looking for a view property, the view of Somosomo Strait from Makaira is par none. You won't go wrong if you plan a vacation here. It is truly paradise.